Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on configuring the Always On Display feature of your Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Always On Display and Lock Screen. Now select Always On Display. Here is where you can turn the Always On Display on or off, and also customize it. You can choose between a variety of different styles for the Always On Display. Tap on one to customize it. Tap the Display Items button at the top to customize when the Always On Display should appear. Your Always On Display is now set up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.